Good morning to everyone. I am going to discuss about the protocardiates. The entire cardiates can be grouped in two categories on the basis of cranium. One is the acraniates and another is the craniates. Acraniates are more primitive than craniates. Therefore, it is called protocardiates. Next question is, what is the definition of protocardiates? The protocardiates are marine, primitive, triploblastic coelomates. The notochordal axis is either present in body parts or throughout the entire length of the body. May persist through to entire life of the animal, or it may be limited only to the larval stage. There is an absence of paired jaw and appendages. The cephalon is not clearly distinct. There is a permanent presence of gill slits in pharyngeal region. This is the definition of protocardiates. The characters, the protocardiates are marine, primitive, simple animal, and microfeeders. Protocardiates are also microfeeders. The protocardiates get enveloped externally with a single transparent membrane, the epithelium or tunic. The bony endoskeleton is absent in case of protocardiate. The basement membrane is thickened to form supporting structures. The dorsal lamina and endostyle may help in transference of food, because endostyle secretes a mucilaginous substance that helps in the lubrication of food. So it is clear it helps in a transference of food throughout the alimentary canal, and it helps in digestion. In tunic, there is a presence of a large number of mucus secreting glands. The notochord is present throughout the length of the body in case of a cephalocardiata. But in case of urocardiates, the notochord is limited only to the tail region. In case of hemichordata, the notochord, the buccal diverticulum presence is not well supported. Its presence is not clear. So that is the reason the hemichordate representatives Balanoglossus is the connecting link between the non-cardates and protocardates. Non-cardates and cardates, not protocardates. The balanced is connecting link between non-cardates and cardate animals. So this is the about the protocardates. So before we going to detailed study of cardate, we must to study about the protocardate. The protocardates accommodates three subphylum: Cephalocardata, Urocardata, and Hemichordata. In my next video, we are going to you have to study about the Hemichordata. That's all. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and comments. That's all.